everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. On today's menu, I'll be showing you how to make homemade whipped cream. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. First, what you're going to want to do is chill your bowl that you're going to use. I'm using a KitchenAid mixer, so I'm going to take my bowl out and put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And you can use a stand mixer or a handheld mixer, it doesn't matter, but you want to chill your bowl and your beaters. Once your bowl is chilled and your whisk or beaters, you want to grab this pint of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to use about 1.5 cups. Make sure that your whipping cream is cold, it will make it easier and faster. So I'm going to pour my 1.5 cups into the bowl, and then I'm going to turn my mixer on the highest speed without it splattering everywhere. So mine is about an 8, and I'm going to let this beat for about 5 minutes. I'm going to show you what it will look like at 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5 minutes. So this is what it should look like when it hits about 3 minutes. You can see that it's getting thicker and thicker. And then when it hits about 4 minutes, you can see that it's starting to form that peak and it's nice and thick. Once it hits about 5 minutes, you'll see that you can lower your mixture and the whipping cream should not fall off of the beaters or the whisk. So once it hits about 5 minutes, I'll show you how I know that it's done. So we just hit 5 minutes, and what you want to do to see if it's done, take your whisk or beaters out like I'm doing right here, and if the mixture is stiff and stays on the whisk or beaters, you know it's done. Once your whipped cream is done, you can add that to ice cream, pies, or even cheesecakes like I'm going to show you how to do. I'm using a Wilton 1A tip and a piping bag that I got off Amazon. They're really cheap and affordable if you want to go there and get them. I'm going to import all of my whipped cream into this piping bag, and then I'm going to show you how I decorate my cheesecake. Not to worry, if you don't have a piping bag or don't want to buy them, you can use a gallon Ziploc bag. So I'm taking my scraper and scraping the edges and giving it a quick stir just so that I know everything is mixed in. And then I'm going to add all of this to my piping bag. So this is what your filled piping bag should look like. I'm going to close the top by twisting it, and then I'm going to cut off the edge so that I can pipe it. After the end is cut off, you're ready to pipe. I'm going to make large rosettes all around my cheesecake, and it'll give it a nice design. And then I'm going to go in and add Oreos, and you can see the final product in the next clip. You can obviously decorate your cheesecake, pie, or ice cream however you would like. I'm just showing you an easy way to make this beautiful cheesecake. After you're done piping, this is what the large rosette border should look like. I think it looks very nice like this. You can leave it like this if you would like, or decorate it further. So as you can see, I took some Oreos, cut them in half, placed them all around my border, and then also took some Oreo crumbs and sprinkled them on top. If you want to check out this recipe on this cookies and cream cheesecake, I'll put the link in the description. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what videos you would like for me to do.